Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download WinRAR free on your PC. And yeah, let me show you how. Actually, that's gonna be a very quick tutorial. Just watch this video all the way till the end. And yeah, let's move on. Let's show you how to do it. So first, search in Google WinRAR like this and open the first link from here. As you can see, you can buy it, but we don't want to cost money for that, right? We want to download it free. So just click on download WinRAR, click on again download WinRAR, and as you can see it's here, but I've already downloaded it. And when you click on it, it appears this window. Browse it where you wanna download it, to install it, and click on install. Wait a few seconds, click on OK, click on done, and as you can see you have a WinRAR here. And yeah, actually that's it, how to download WinRAR on your computer, on your PC. And if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.